Welcome to our video on the basics of day trading. Day trading is the act of buying and selling financial instruments, such as stocks and crypto, within the same trading day. It's a popular strategy among traders who want to make quick profits from market fluctuations. Before you start day trading, it's important to have a solid understanding of the stock market and the specific stocks or securities you're interested in trading. This includes keeping up with market news and analyzing technical indicators. Once you've done your research, you can use a trading platform to execute your trades. It's important to set stop loss and take profit orders to limit your risk and lock in profits. When day trading, it's important to have a strategy in place and stick to it. This can include using a specific set of technical indicators or following a specific trading system. Remember, day trading can be risky, so it's important to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Day trading is by no means a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of time and effort to learn this skill. Thanks for watching our video on the basics of day trading. Remember, it's important to do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button for more.